Hey yo, let's do a mail call. My envelope I got yesterday. Figured I'd wait a little bit. Hope you all can see this because I cannot get this thing set up right. Professor Rusty, one on the cabinet. Get him up there first, and then I got some news to share with you guys. See if I can get this thing peeled. I'm having a world of a hard time here with it. I don't know why when you get stickers you can't get them with the split back on them. There we go. Well, it's a nice heavy sticker. We'll put him right here underneath the 8. Yeah, that looks good right there. Alright. Professor Rusty's on the cabinet. I'll get the other ones put up there later. I'll take a picture and post it on community post. But got some news. Hope you can see this. We have stickers. Now how I'm going to do this, because I've only got 25. So anybody that has sent me a sticker is going to get one in return. And if I don't have your address, I'll get a hold of you by email or something. So that's how it's going to work. Then we'll go from there. Whatever I got left, I'll let you know. And we'll divvy them up from there. So another thing is I'm only going to send, I know some of you guys sent me 2. I'm only going to send 1 right now. And because I'm going to get some more, but I don't think they're going to be the same. They might be a little bit different, but we'll see. But anyway, like and subscribe, you guys. Thanks.